What's up, guys? I have never unboxed such thing in my channel before. Let me take this out. So here it is, guys. Just Air Q25 100th micro FPV car. So can you believe it? This is 1:100 scale RC car, FPV RC car. It's really tiny. You can compare the car with the controller. It's so tiny. Suitable for 14 plus years only. Since it comes with goggle, children will feel a little bit dizzy while wearing this thing. So it's not suitable for children less than 14 years of age. You can get it in different colors: red, green. The controller is orange and the car is yellow. So we have this one inside the box and the blue one. And anything else? Okay, so let's see the highlights. So it's 1:100 scale, 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, and it says high power motor. I don't know what it means. It's saying high power motor. Okay, but the spelling is incorrect. Professional RC. So you've got proportional speed and steering, just like in hobby grade cars. Okay, and then 30 degrees smaller turning radius. So the turning radius is really small. We will see. Full proportional steering control, as I said. 60 minutes long battery life. We will see. I don't know whether the battery will last for 60 minutes once fully charged, but we will see. And finally, high capacity battery, maybe lithium ion battery, LiPo battery. Okay, let's start unboxing this thing, guys. So here, this one is the cable, C-type USB cable, which you can use to charge your controller and the FPV car. Okay, this one is C-type cable. I will show you. Alright. Yeah, this is C-type cable. And then here's the cute little car, FPV car. Oh my god. Okay, so here it is. Look, it's too small. You can compare the size of the camera with the car. It's just very tiny. And then we have this controller, cute little controller with fully proportional steering and speed. And there are a few buttons. Okay, on-off switch. This one is on-off switch. And then you can increase and decrease the power using these two buttons. Alright, and here these two buttons are steering trims. If the car is not going straight, you can use these buttons. And then here are 4 buttons at the top of the controller. Not sure what they are for, but the signs show that these are for lights and maybe recording videos. I'm not sure, we'll have to see. And here at the back of the controller you can see the power output. So you can just use this cable, C-type cable, okay, to charge it. So you don't need to put your own batteries in this controller. There is rechargeable battery for the controller, for the car, and this is the goggle. Okay, looks pretty good. Here you can see different buttons. Search, this is power or menu button. This one is record. Okay, you can record the videos as well. This one is, you can select different channels, and this one is band. Okay, and these two red caps, after removing it you can install antennas, which I will show you. And yeah, here you can see some ports here. Okay, this one is the audio port. The second one is the charging port. You can use micro USB cable to charge this goggle. This one is the port where you insert your SD card to take photos and to record videos. Okay, and then here in this package we have few things. These are antennas, okay, for your goggle. You remove these caps, two red caps, and then you install your antennas. And this one is AV, audio video cable. This one is a micro USB cable, which we will use to charge this goggle. And then I think these are some stickers. You can see different cars. This is instruction manual. This Air Micro FPV Car instruction manual. And you can see all the information that you will need to connect your controller to the car or your goggle to the car. So here you can see, how you can troubleshoot when there occurs some problem with the car. And here you can see product parameters. Okay, the size of LCD screen, resolution, okay, everything is given. Lens, interface, DVR, power supply, and the battery supplied with the car is 3.7 volt, 2000 mAh. I don't think it's 2000 mAh because it would be too big battery, which would not fit in the car. So yeah, I'll have to see the battery. I will have to open the body and then I will have to see the battery to see its mAh. And here is here in the diagram you can see the functions of different buttons on the goggle. Okay. And here the size of the goggle is given. Okay, this is the instruction manual which you can use if you have any problem or if you want to connect your car to the controller or your car to the goggle. And finally, yeah, this one, it says link to car and link to goggles. How you can link your car, okay, and the goggle. So I have charged this controller using C-type cable. Okay, and this car also uses C-type cable for charging, and this one is micro USB cable to charge the goggle. I have charged all of these, so I'm going to turn them on. On the controller, there's on-off button here. Okay, it's turned on. And in the car you can see the switch button here. press it once. Okay, it's also turned on. And on the goggle, you can press this menu button or power button to turn it on. This button, okay? It's turned on now. Okay, let's see. This one it has got fully proportional speed and steering. Let's see this steering first. You can see the indicator lights are also working when I'm turning the car. So it's got proportional steering and the speed is also proportional. You can go slow, okay, and you can go fast. Let me show you like this. So you can go slow, a little bit faster, and you can go really fast. Okay, and same with this steering. And yeah, I'd like to show functions of these buttons here. So this one, this button changes the color of headlight, I think. Okay, and this one changes color of I don't know where that light is, but it also changes color. You can see now it has turned into green, blue, and green, red. So using these buttons you can change colors of LED lights. And this one, I think it's signed for recording, not sure. And this one, the last one, I don't know what it did, but not sure what it did. Okay, we will, let's see how, let's see its turning radius. Look, the turning radius is really good. Like it's turning in a small circle. And the modulation is quite good. You know, I can go as slow as I like, and I can go fast as well. And the lights, you know, the indicator lights, they work. Look, right, left, and even the brake lights work. So you can see, you know, they have made this thing quite good, and you can enjoy it inside your room, or you know, even if you get 2 or 3 of them, you can rest with others. You can rest with your kids, or you can rest with your friends. This would be too fun. Okay, let me try this with the FPV. Let's see how easy it is to drive wearing this goggle. It feels good, and it's quite fun as well.
This is how it looks through the goggle. When you turn on your goggle, you get this screen, and uh, by choosing menu, you can go to you can change brightness, contrast, color, sharpness. Okay, you can change these values as you wish. So when I press record, uh, so it's saying there's no SD card. Okay, I have not inserted the SD card to the goggle yet. And this, when I press this search button, it auto searches the channel.
Okay, that was quite fun to play the car using this goggle. But if you are, if you have never used goggle, or if you have never used FPV, uh, then you might feel quite dizzy. Uh, but anyway, this one, I think this is worth for its price. It's not that expensive, and it's quite fun as well. You can play it indoors. It's not for driving off-road, because it's too small, can't go off-road. Uh, but yeah, you can play it inside your room, or if there's good road, okay. And the quality of the camera, it's not that good, considering the price. uh, the quality of the camera is okay. I would say it's okay, not that bad.